Hello everyone, I Ajinkya More welcome you to another episode of our series Road to KJ only on Simsar Radio. Along with my co-host Ananya Singh, this episode will feature students from the freshly inducted 2021-2023 batch. So we have Shalvi Srivastava from MBA International Business.
Hi Ajinkya, thank you for having me.
Shaurya Vardhani from MBA Retail Management.
Hi Ajinkya.
And lastly, Devika Nair from International Business.
Thank you, Ajinkya.
So Ananya, let's start off with it.
I'll start off the episode by welcoming the batch of 2021-23, hoping to see you touching skies. So, here is my first question. How was your life before preparation of MBA? What all you faced while planning for MBA?
So I did my graduation from National PG College, which is in Lucknow, and at the same time I was also into social work. So I taught kids in the slum for about 2 years, and at the same time I discovered my passion for reading and writing, and so I even co-authored some books. Still I am pretty much passionate about writing, and I am continuing my work in that field. And at the same time I discovered my interest in spirituality and social media marketing, and I'm pretty much inclined towards these things, and hoping to explore it even further.
Yeah, so I'm from Indore. I was in a city called Aurangabad in Maharashtra. So I was working in an automobile company there. I used to work in shifts. It was quite pretty hectic. Sometimes all 3 shifts I've done together also. So there I was leading the department, and I have to be that responsible guy all the time, not able to commit mistakes, totally a hectic job. So it was a very challenging and with a very weird schedule, I must say. So yeah, and but after all is well, I guess my job was less hectic. I'm a district level chess player also. In my leisure time, I play chess. I take parts in competitions. I have a chess.com profile. So yeah, like I love playing chess. That's my stress buster all the time.
Yeah, so I stay in Navi Mumbai and I'm a fresher. I just completed my graduation in Bachelor of Management Studies in the year 2021. And I'm quite inclined towards extracurricular activities. So I am trained in classical Indian dance, Bharatanatyam. I'm trained in Hindustani and Carnatic music. I'm a state level volleyball and sepak takraw player. Sepak takraw is relatively a new game. Not everyone has heard about it. And I've done theatres as well. So yeah, that's about it.
That's great, Devika. Grooves and Sports Committee would love to have you. Moving on to the next question. Do you guys remember filling the application form for our institute? And also, how was the interview process for you guys?
I do remember filling the form, although I wasn't expecting an offer letter because that didn't go well, but luckily I got in through NMAT. And I remember the interview, it was so amazing, and it was in KJ wherein I enjoyed the interview experience the most because the faculty was so nice, humble and kind, and it was amazing overall.
That's great to know. Shaurya, your experience?
After results, the best option I had was KJ. Because of KJ has a great brand value. Honestly, I was very nervous while filling the form. I was filling it very cautiously because it was the best option that I had at that point of time. Regarding the interview thing, my interview was very smooth. Honestly, a very smooth interview. And because the interview was very cool, I was nervous, but they just made me feel like home at that point of time. They were just asking logical question on my work. Totally a logical question, no vague questions. And I guess I answered them nicely. That's why here I am. So yeah.
Thanks, Shaurya. That was great. Devika, your experience?
Yeah, so well, I vividly remember the time when I was filling the KJ's application form because I don't know, I have this thing about messing up application forms all the time. So I was filling it very cautiously, but I did manage to mess up nonetheless. But the interview was super fun. It was super chill. I was skeptical about it in the beginning, but then when I was called, I was the first candidate to go into the breakout room. So when I was called, I was like, no, this is the time. So it went pretty well.
You guys are clearly in a college where you all wanted to be and making beautiful memories. Moving on, we survived the interview, but in the lockdown, did not get a chance to party enough. But a place like party was introduced to you all called MBA Connect. How was that WhatsApp experience though?
For me, I was pretty nervous because I've never been this active in the virtual world. In fact, none of us have been. But when I joined the groups, I was pretty anxious as well. But it went on really well because people were so warm and welcoming at the same time. And at the same time, I also learned a lot from all of these guys. So it helped me let go of my fear and also transform myself and really connect to everyone over there. So it was a great experience.
So obviously, when I got my result, I was not selected in first round. I was selected in second round. I clearly remember the time. It was around 5 p.m. I was damn excited that I'm selected in this college that I wanted to be. So you wouldn't believe, after just a second, or like, I drafted my resignation letter and forwarded it to my HR. So I was that excited. And about the WhatsApp or the virtual thing, I'll say right now I have around 30 to 40 WhatsApp groups that are only related to KJ Somaiya College. And like, I really enjoy that stuff. Texting and all, active around 2000 messages unread all the time. That kind of FOMO that you have all the time. It's like a rush that you have all the time during all is well. During what, like, I guess it's truly said, online is the new normal now.
Shaurya, welcome to MBA. It's 40 now, but I guess after the committees, it will be 100 WhatsApp groups. So get ready for that. Moving on to Devika.
So yeah, I remember when the WhatsApp group was formed, the official WhatsApp group where we had seniors from the AdCom. So I was pretty excited about communicating with my seniors and my batchmates. So I went through all the profiles, all the WhatsApp DPs, and it was actually fun when we had an official group as well, because then everyone started gelling up really nice after the unofficial group.
Guys, you guys have spent almost about a month within the KJ ecosystem. So what do you feel interacting with the seniors? What was your most memorable moment? Starting off with Shalvi.
I think it was when some of the seniors were trying to comfort us so that we open up more, because initially all of us were really scared and also nervous at the same time. So that was really sweet.
So during All Is Well, there was an activity done by SAF team, and it was like you have to recreate your memories with seniors, All Is Well memories. So when we just asked for the videos from the seniors, that was super fun. And when we enacted on that, that was super fun too. So the recreation of our seniors' memories of All Is Well was just truly a moment.
My experience with seniors has been pretty memorable till now, and I wish that it would be, hope that it would be the same. So I remember this particular experience where during the event of All Is Well, we had a meet where seniors were pretty upset about how we were handling things, but then we did it correct. And when they finally saw our final product, they were pretty proud of us, and many of them congratulated us. Even a few of them texted me personally about how they were happy that the video turned out. So yeah, they were pretty supportive.
It's great that you all are already loving your seniors and the feelings are definitely mutual. Talking about the bond and the connect, my next question would be, what are the expectations from virtual MBA?
I feel people here are multi-talented and they have a lot of skill sets as well. So I just wish to explore and learn more from these people and transform myself in the journey ahead.
Firstly, I just want to say to that question, I hope colleges will open soon. So, what I expect, I guess networking, as Shalvi told, networking is the thing that I totally expect, because it literally enhances your scope, I guess. It literally made you realize that what have you missed till now, what can you learn more. You'll just get to know, oh, I can learn that also, I can learn that also, this guy's from that field, this guy's from that field. You get to know a lot of exposure, you get a lot of exposure from that. Obviously, then you have case studies, competition and all that. I'm looking forward to that. So yeah.
Yeah, so I feel most of the points were covered by Shalvi and Shaurya, but online mode also has its own benefits. So I think we could leverage on that. After that, but I would also like to say that I just hope that the campus reopens soon and we are able to go to the college and witness the beautiful campus. So I would just like to remind our listeners that please be safe, wear masks and use sanitizers so that we can actually go to the college.
Okay, that's great. let's head into the final segment of this conversation, the rapid fire round. I'll state some of the events and you just have to briefly tell us about your experience. So starting off, your favorite moment from All Is Well. Shall we? Yeah, shall we go?
I think in All Is Well, it was when my batchmates made me dance for the first time in my life because I'm a horrible dancer. That was really fun.
I'll say like around 1:30 a.m. on day one, video editor tool was crashed just before the deadline, and the edit part was not saved. So the rush that we have, the things that we have at that point of time, the way that we handled, it was truly awesome as a team.
Super sad that our batch didn't win the All Is Well, but extremely happy about the bond that we formed.
So the second moment is beyond college activities, whatever activities that you're doing besides the college work.
So there was this quote I had to perform and I was really nervous about it. So some of my friends here in KJ, in my batch, they joined that session just to morally support me. So that was a great experience that I had. And it went really well.
Yeah, so we had that Zoom call from around, I guess, from 12 to 7 in the night. I guess that was the best thing that we had.
We also had a session with the new app that's currently buzzing, that's Clubhouse, and we played several games as well. So,
Wow, we never got an invitation to Clubhouse, but okay, that's how life is. So, okay. Okay, the last question. Shalvi, what were your experiences about the senior-junior meets?
I think this one meet that I had wherein I was pretty much shy and awkward, and at the same time the seniors really tried to make us feel like home. So at that particular point of time I felt okay, and it was really sweet at the same time that they did so.
Yeah, so we played Codenames with seniors. I guess like we were totally into it and we didn't like realize that they were seniors, so we're totally into Codenames.
honestly, I was petrified in the beginning of the junior-seniors meet, but I remember sulking about Sunday classes. So I think many of them remember me like the girl who was sulking about Sunday classes. And then afterwards, it became pretty chill.
Heading to the end of the episode, I can clearly feel that you guys had a great time till now in the institute. We are delighted to have you all among us. On behalf of all the members, seniors and the management, we extend our warmest welcome and good wishes to you all. There is a lot more yet to come on your way, so just enjoy, work hard or smart and go with the flow. For further more episodes, stay tuned to Simsar Radio.